Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how can you get more customers for your carpet business. So now there are various things that you can do to get more customers from the online clients. For example, we can do the PPC side of things, that is the pay-per-click ads. We can do the SEO side of things, which is the search engine optimization, and we can do the social media optimization as well. In the SEO side of things, it would take you around 6 to 8 months for you to get your business in the natural listing on the Google search engine. But on the PPC side of things, we should be able to get the results almost instantly, because we will be able to get quality clicks from the very first day. So it is possible that you get the leads from the very first week itself. So now in terms of the carpet business, there can be two type of website. One is like for those websites that are selling the carpet online, and then there will be some other websites like the carpet cleaning websites, wherein you are giving the lead generation services to your customers who want to get their carpets cleaned. So now these two type of websites will have their own strategies that we need to follow. But the first thing that we need to do is we need to do the competitors benchmarking first. We need to see what type of keywords that these competitors are using in the similar niche. That way we don't really need to reinvent the wheel all the time. We can see what they are doing, and then we can try to replicate the success that they have, and then take the campaign to the next level. So now for the carpet selling businesses, wherein you are selling the carpets or the rugs online, there will be the products that can be ranging from $100 to even $5,000 as well per product. So we have to be very careful in terms of the targeting. We need to start with the Google shopping ads, because that is where almost 90% of your sales will come from. And then we need to start to have separate campaign for each product type. For example, we are selling the Persian rugs, or we are selling the Oriental rugs. We can have separate campaign for those two product type, and then based on the ROI we get, the budgets will be reassessed accordingly. We also need to start the remarketing ads for the add to cart abandoners. That way we can give them 5% off using a certain coupon code. That strategy also works really very well. So now the other side of things, which is the lead ads, that is the lead generation carpet business, wherein you are cleaning the carpet for your clients. For that kind of business, the search ads along with the call only ads works really very well, because the cost per click for the search ads will be around $5 to $8, but for the call only it can go as high as $20. So we need to be very careful when we do the targeting for these kind of keywords. But yes, we need to target the intent based keyword rather than the keywords with the search volume. The intent based keyword means we don't really need to target the keyword like carpet. We need to target the keyword like carpet cleaning companies or carpet cleaning near me. That way you can see the intent is there, the quality of lead that you will get will be very high. So if you have any sort of PPC ads running, be it the Google ads or Facebook ads in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. And if you do not have any ads running, then don't worry about it. You can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. You can contact us through WhatsApp. There is a number on top right corner. You can also go to our website and fill us a form, and we should be able to get back to you with the plan of action on exactly what you can do to take your business to the next level.